Hey guys, so I'm making a little fried chicken today, and I'm just gonna pop on my camera and just record it really quickly. I season my chicken using all Keep Them In products. Over here I have the gourmet all-purpose seasoning. This is the poultry seasoning and the seasoned sea salt and some black pepper. That's all that's on my chicken. And my egg is just egg and his Scotch bonnet hot sauce. You know, of course, I always add hot sauce to my eggs. I'm not adding any salt to my eggs or more seasoning because the chicken is pretty well seasoned. Also, my flour is seasoned. The flour has everything here. And I added some cayenne, black pepper, and salt. So that's all I'm using. I'm going to take my egg mixture and just, instead of messing up any more dishes, you don't need to do all that. Just pour your egg mixture right over your chicken. Coat your chicken really, really well with your hands. And now we're going to dip it in the flour. Alright, so this is my seasoned flour. And people think that you need to do all this hoopla and adding extra ingredients to have your chicken crunchy. Just let your chicken sit in your flour for at least 30 minutes. Like 20 to 30 minutes, let it sit in the flour. And like at the 30-minute mark, just dust it some more in the flour and your chicken will be super crunchy. I mean, yeah, granted, everything else does work. But if you don't have it, you don't need it. Just let your chicken sit. Let your chicken sit in the flour. Alright, my bowl could fit 2 for right now. Let it sit in the flour after you coat it. So you're going to coat your chicken just like this. And you're just going to let it sit there. Just let it sit. And I think 30 minutes is too long. Maybe 15 minutes. Just let it sit there and adhere to your chicken. Your chicken will be super, super crunchy. So guys, I have some fresh herbs that's on their last leg. So I decided I'm just going to add it to my oil. Do not add this to hot oil. Add it to cold oil while it's in your skillet. Then you want to turn your heat on. So as the heat builds up, the herbs are going to flavor your oil. Once the herbs start to like crisp up, you're going to remove it all and then we're going to start frying the chicken. So don't use, you know, your fresh herbs that you just got out of the supermarket. If you don't have it, it's totally optional. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is what they look like. They're nice and crispy. You're going to remove it. I did this on medium heat. I didn't do this on high heat. Now I'm going to crank it up to medium high and then I'm going to start adding my chicken in. It smells amazing. I love adding herbs to my oil. It's very flavorful. These are what the herbs look like. I'm for sure not going to toss them. Once we're done frying the chicken, I'm going to crumble them up all over the chicken for presentation purposes. And yeah, so start frying your chicken, guys. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, I put the herbs all over the plates. The chicken is still nice and crunchy, crispy, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, fast recipe. My first live video back will be on the 15th. And it will be a collab recipe with Chef Jabba. And you'll learn more about him as that video comes out or whatever. So yeah, thank you guys for rocking with me. Thanks for being patient. Please share my videos, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.